This is buckle down page 166, guided practice. Name this triangle in as many ways as possible. Okay, this triangle right here. Think it through. All sides of this triangle have different length. This is different from this, and that is different from this. So the triangle is a scalene triangle because the definition of scalene triangle is all different sides. Triangle that has all different sides. This triangle has one obtuse angle. Notice we have an obtuse angle right here. It is greater than 90 degrees. So the triangle is an obtuse triangle. The two names for this triangle are scalene, according to its length, and obtuse, according to its angle. Thanks.